For latest updates and short audio clips, follow us on Instagram, Reading the Author.
Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast Reading the Author, a unique show where we read authors' mind and not their book. Meanwhile, I truly believe and pray that you and your families are completely safe and healthy as well. Guys, today we have Jyoti Bharadwaj ma'am with us, and she is the author of Kashmir Meri Nazar Se. Thank you so much ma'am for coming on our show. I'm truly grateful कि आप हमारे शो पर आए.
Thank you, Gaurav, for having me here. Thank you so much.
Pleasure, ma'am. So, ma'am, before we get into the podcast and know much more about your book, about your upcoming journey and everything, I would request you to please introduce yourself ताकि हमारे listeners आपके बारे में और कुछ जान सकें. And do let us know how you started this writing journey.
Yeah, sure. Well, I am Jyoti Bharadwaj. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. And about this book, I guess when I first traveled to Kashmir, I was very skeptical about visiting Kashmir. Ki kaisa hoga, I was scared to go out, to be very honest. But during my second visit, I have fallen in love with Kashmir and its people. So after that, I have visited Kashmir like 7 times.
Wow.
And in 2022 I visited twice. That is what I manifested, and in 2023 also I visited twice. So this love made me write about Kashmir.
Definitely, ma'am. It is something, इतनी बार visit करना, and last year like 2022 में 2 बार. So what was the thing that stuck with you regarding Kashmir?
Well, मैं बहुत छोटा सा ब्रीफ एक स्टोरी बताऊंगी इसके रिगार्डिंग, क्योंकि बाकी सारा बुक में है. सो व्हेन बैक इन 2015 इट वाज माय सेकंड विजिट विद माय फैमिली. सो वी वर स्टक इन अ प्लेस नियर सोनमर्ग. एंड वी हैव दिस परसेप्शन अबाउट कश्मीर कि वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगी फॉर XYZ रीजंस, राइट? सो आई वाज वन ऑफ देम, एंड माय पेरेंट्स ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आर वेरी ब्रॉड माइंडेड people. So they were like कुछ नहीं होगा. तो I used to get very scared to talk to locals and everyone. तो वहाँ पे एक local थे, we were stuck in a place, the place was totally dark. तो वो आए, उन्होंने volunteer किया हमें help करने के लिए. और उस पूरे ट्रिप में हमारे साथ each and every day कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आती रही. मतलब नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनीवन, बट जैसे कभी टायर पंक्चर हो गया, या फिर जैसे हम कहीं पे फंस गए, या फिर खुद ही लोकल्स हमसे मिलने के लिए आए. तो दीज स्मॉल इंसिडेंट्स मेड मी फॉल इन लव विद दिस प्लेस. एंड something happened to me like on personal level. So I went into depression during first wave, and I was in depression for a very long time. So in 2022 I decided to change my life for good. And after COVID I visited to Kashmir, and I felt कि मेरे जो scars हैं वो heal हो रहे हैं. So then I decided to write.
Definitely, ma'am. In fact, the inclusion, basically what I can feel as of now, कि जो inclusion वहाँ के वादियों में है, that is something that people most look forward to. In fact, I have visited like thrice. I have visited, and the latest one was in 2021 when I was completing that Leh circuit. So we started from Delhi only, and then to Jammu, then Srinagar, then we went to Jazila Pass.
You must have gone through. Yeah. That's in Sonmarg. Yeah.
Sonmarg, then Jazila Pass, then we went to Kargil, Leh, and all that, and then we ended for via Manali, Rohtang Pass, and all that thing happened.
Yeah.
But and usse pehle bhi I have been, like, a couple of my brothers, like my brother's friend stay there in Jammu. So we often visit to this Patni Top hill station. So it is quite fun. That valley we have, like ABC Valley, we have 3 valleys in there in Kashmir near Srinagar. So
yes.
So the beauty, the what I personally felt on a personal level, that when it comes to Kashmir now, the perception is very different. As although the things are there, definitely things are there, that's why the perception has been made. But still, on a personal level, on a tourist level, if you go silently and if the luck is very good with you, then definitely it is something now which you will just let you go again and again.
Yeah, what I have learned, like in all these years, like I live in Delhi, right? And Delhi is not safe for women. That is
Yeah.
what people think about Delhi.
Hmm.
But I'm a girl and I'm living in Delhi. I roam alone also.
Hmm.
And there are certain restrictions from family कि रात को नहीं जाना या जो भी XYZ है कि इतने बजे नहीं जाना. तो अगर हम वो प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करें तो Delhi is good enough for girls as well.
True.
So that is what I feel about Kashmir कि अगर आप छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान रखोगे तो you will definitely enjoy the beauty
Definitely.
and you will enjoy a trip.
बिल्कुल. If it is asked to not go in a certain area, not roam around certain hours, why you have to go,
Exactly.
right? Why you have to just
Yeah,
go
exactly.
and कि नहीं मुझे तो करना ही है, मुझे करना ही है. Then see the consequences. What else we can do?
Exactly.
Okay. So
But you should not hate anyone for any reason कि अगर मुझसे कोई आके बोले कि आप दिल्ली से हो, okay, I will hate you. So what have I done कि you will be hating me. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ तो आप मुझे hate कर रहे हो.
बिल्कुल. Definitely. It is like a very big picture of a stereotype thing. What I personally felt that just because on the basis of a location you cannot judge anyone. I'm audible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
So yes ma'am. Okay. So my next question to this podcast is, ma'am, like after listening to this podcast, many people will just love to explore the book. They will just love to read the book because Kashmir and the place, and after the first lockdown, the COVID wave has been ended. People are just mad about exploring new things, new places. So what they can expect from your book? Like, can you share some insights कि एक नए रीडर को क्या मिल सकता है आपकी किताब से?
Well, after reading my book, I think जो लोग थोड़ा सा भी डरते हैं कश्मीर को लेके, जैसे अभी 2 दिन पहले ही मुझे बहुत मेच्योर लोग मिले, they were planning to go to Kashmir, but they were scared to go to Kashmir कि अरे नहीं यार हम नहीं जाएंगे, वहाँ फंस जाएंगे. So I told them about my book. They have just read the first chapter and they were like ठीक है हम भी कश्मीर जाएंगे. So this book can change your mindset. I'm not here to change it, but yes, you can plan to go to Kashmir. And it's not about Kashmir. Even any place आपके लिए एक ऐसी जगह बन सकती है जहाँ पे आप बहुत healed feel करोगे. So people who can relate to nature, the beauty of nature, finding good in people rather than finding bad in people. So those people can relate to the stories that I have told in the book.
That's very well said, ma'am. That I have been to Kashmir, but on my personal level, last year I visited Mysore in Karnataka.
Okay.
So that was the place that I always look up to. Ki I have to go. And last year I visited thrice on that particular place. I have nothing to do there.
So nice.
Like
I can relate to this feeling.
I don't have to do. I have no work. In fact, there are more beautiful places like Ooty is there, Coimbatore, Madurai, and a couple of other places are there. But when it comes to Mysore, I just want to go, book a hotel, stay, or शाम को just roam here and there, just have some coffee. The lifestyle, the way people chill there, it's something which I just love
exactly
about.
That is what I feel in Kashmir. Like people ask me कि इतना पैसा, because Kashmir is way too expensive as a tourist if you plan.
It's not a Kashmir, it's a Kashmir.
Yeah, exactly. तो बहुत लोग मेरे से बोलते कि इतना पैसा, मतलब पैसा कमाओ और वहां जाके लुटा दो. It's something like that. But I don't know. I feel healed. I find my own peace there. So जब when I sit in Shikara, जब वो चप्पू चलता है, the sound of the lake and everything is so serene for me. So yeah.
It is some feelings are something which you only just can relate to. You just can't express to anyone कि okay, why you want to go. I just want to go. That's it. Period. Nothing else.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm glad my parents understand this because मतलब बाहर तो लोगों को लगता है oh my God, who is there जिसके लिए बार-बार कश्मीर जाना पड़ता है.
Such a long tour in a long relationship.
But I'm glad that I have made a lot of friends there. One of my best friends, she's from Kashmir only. I met her during my first trip, and now when she's married, she's here in Delhi.
That's great. Okay, so ma'am, like it is a kind of book like जिसको पढ़ने के बाद people would love to go to Kashmir. But is there any
Yeah.
plan to launch the second book as well? Like something, go to guide of Kashmir part 2, something like that.
Go to guide, I will not say that go to guide I will plan,
Hmm.
but yes, पार्ट 1 जहाँ पे एंड हुआ है उसके आगे बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनसे मैं कश्मीर में मिली
Hmm.
और चीज़ें काफ़ी चेंज भी होती चली गई. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन 2023.
Hmm.
और तो पार्ट 2 विल बी a lot of new stories, meeting new people, and my journey of promoting part 1 and everything, because
Okay.
book ने मुझे काफ़ी कुछ दिया है. like मुझे बहुत लोगों ने demean किया था. That is why I went to depression. That is a very long story, I will not elaborate it.
Hmm.
But when I wrote this book, I felt कि I have written this book for myself and I feel very proud of it. मतलब इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक माई चाइल्ड एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड प्राउड टू हैव इट. इस बुक ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है, लॉट ऑफ रिकग्निशन. जैसे लास्ट ईयर इट वॉज अनाउंस्ड ऑन रेडियो, एंड अनाउंसिंग ऑन रेडियो वॉज लाइक इन श्रीनगर. इट वॉज लाइक मतलब
Wow.
लोगों के लिए होगा कि रेडियो पे आ गया, इतना क्या है, बट आई वॉज बीइंग कॉल्ड देयर एंड आई वॉज बीइंग इंटरव्यूड देयर.
Definitely, such a
मेरे पापा ने
total.
जब बोला वहाँ पे मतलब जब वहाँ पे लाइव चल रहा था, तो माय फादर सेड ज्योति की वजह से आज हमने ना ऑन एयर कैसे जाते हैं वो देखा. तो आई फील सो हैप्पी. आई मीन
That moment,
दैट
yeah.
फीलिंग आया.
बिल्कुल.
So this book has given me a lot, but yeah, part 2 will include a lot of new stories, meeting new people, and it will be completely different from part 1. But
Okay.
उसके लिए मुझे और कश्मीर जाना पड़ेगा और stories collect करनी पड़ेंगी.
Definitely. So, ma'am, like when it comes to particularly in terms of writing, like are you writing something else as well? You want to experiment on other genres, like other topics, because it is a very niche topic, only talking about Kashmir. So, any other books in the pipeline, irrespective of the Kashmir, or you want to just stick to only these only?
No. I'm writing other books as well. I used to write poems and I'm still writing poems.
Okay.
मैं वो शायरी जो होती है वो भी लिखती हूँ कभी कभी जब मूड में आता है.
Mhm.
बाकी I'm writing a book currently that is complete. It is not related to Kashmir. Completely different from Kashmir. So वो टॉपिक बिल्कुल अलग है. It is related to some important people in my life.
Okay.
And yeah, hopefully वो इस साल आ जाएगी, if at all I'm not too lazy to write.
Okay. So what's your current writing schedule? Like every day you devote some particular hours to your writing, or it's like random that you get some thoughts in a day? So कभी phone
Yeah,
में
it's
डायरी में लिख
quite
लिया, बाद में बैठ के लिख रहे हैं. How
बहुत
does it goes with you?
या इट्स वेरी रैंडम विद मी. मैं बहुत मूडी राइटर हूँ. आई कॉल माई सेल्फ वेरी मूडी. जब मन में आएगा तो लिखना है. अगर मैं इफ़ एट ऑल आई एम वेरी टायर्ड थ्रू आउट द डे, रात को 12 बजे भी अगर दिल में कुछ ख्याल आया तो आई विल स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू माई स्टडी टेबल, आई विल राइट इट डाउन. अगर मैं पर्पसली बैठी हूँ कि अब मुझे कुछ लिखना ही है तो मैं नहीं लिखूंगी, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिखूंगी.
Okay. And I want to add something in this line that what I personally feel that creativity is something that follows you. You can't chase it. I've read it somewhere, and I find it so appropriate now that I also create self-help videos and everything on Instagram and on YouTube as well. Someday it is there that I don't want to shoot anything. I don't have any idea. But some days now you just get 10-20 of ideas क्योंकि जल्दी लिख लेता हूँ, फिर बाद में बैठ के सुनाते हैं. It happens like that.
True, I can relate to that. Yeah.
So, ma'am, my next question to this podcast is like, we are in this industry for more than 8 years as of now. And I have been personally in conversation with like around 200 or 300 plus authors on this podcast. So, most of them are working to build a personal brand. Like, they want to be known or remembered as a certain genre, a certain type of author. So, when it comes to you, like, have you ever thought about this personal branding thing? Like, कि किसी ने अगर आपकी 2 book already पढ़ी हुई है, and they say, okay, it's a new book by Jyoti ma'am. So what instant thought comes to that reader's mind कि okay, it's a book by Jyoti ma'am, book ऐसी होगी, मुझे ये पढ़ने को मिलेगा, ये इस टाइप की होगी. कभी सोचा इस बारे में?
वेल मैंने इस बारे में कभी सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने राइटिंग इतनी वास्ट लेवल पे की नहीं. इट इज़ माई फर्स्ट बुक. इससे पहले आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट राइट स्मॉल स्टोरीज और पोएम्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट येस, वन डे आई डू वांट टू फील कि अगर कोई बुक उठाए और बोले मेरी कोई भी बुक आ रही है, सपोज 10th बुक आ रही है, आई एम जस्ट मैनिफेस्टिंग इट विद यू कि अगर मेरी कोई बुक आ रही है एंड उस पे लिखा है रिटन बाय ज्योति भारद्वाज, तो पीपल शुड से कि अरे ये अच्छी हो सकती है, वी शुड डेफिनेटली परचेज इट.
Definitely. In fact, what I personally felt like कितने 18 मिनट हुए बात करते हुए. So what I felt ना that whenever your book will come, either it's in 2024 या फिर 2025 तक आपकी 10वीं 20वीं बुक जितनी भी आ रही होगी, what people can ask or look up to ना कि that I will get genuine things to read. Like what she has experienced, I can read that and I can relate to it. That's what I felt.
Yeah, true. Actually, I write what I feel. It is not something कि it is fictional or it is मैं कुछ भी मनगढ़ंत बना के लिख रही हूँ. But I write what I feel. I mean, that is what I exhibited through my poems as well. कि जो मुझे फील होता है वो मैं लिखती हूँ. अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा फील होगा आई विल राइट इट डाउन, अगर मुझे कुछ बुरा फील होगा आई विल राइट इट डाउन. आई कांट कुक अप द स्टोरीज. सो या कमिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन, अगर कोई बुक उठाता है तो वो ये बोल सकता है कि दिस इज समथिंग शी हैज फेल्ट, वी कैन रिलेट टू इट. इट इज नॉट फिक्शनल.
In real life as well, what I personally felt on you, like I can be totally wrong, but it can be something that people relate to you very easily. Like what you say, what you just ask them, or what you jot down, people relate to that very quickly, right?
In fact, when I started writing this book Kashmir Meri Nazar Se, it was like कि मैं बस स्टोरी लिख रही हूँ और किसी को बता रही हूँ ऐसा हुआ था, हम वहाँ गए थे. इट इज़ वेरी इन वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज. और जिन लोगों ने भी ये बुक पढ़ी है वो यही बोल रहे हैं कि हमें ऐसा लग रहा है बस ये हमें कोई कहानी सुना रहा है, हमें अच्छा लग रहा है सुनते हुए.
बिल्कुल. Okay. So, ma'am, as of now, like we talked about your book, about your journey, about your upcoming projects and everything. Now, coming to your personal life, like there must be a lot of moment which you tag as the happiest moment of your life. If you can share any one of them with us, then that would be really great.
Yeah, the happiest moment was when I got selected in government job exams.
Okay.
So I was preparing it for a very long time and it was my father's dream. In fact, my parents' dream. So that time I was very sure. क्योंकि उससे पहले I used to miss it by 1 mark और 0.25 marks और 0.5 marks, बहुत मार्जिन से रह जाता था. तो I used to feel very bad क्योंकि पूरा साल जाता है उस चक्कर में. But when I got selected, I was pretty sure कि I will be selected this time. तो my father was also very sure. When I announced it, हाँ हो गया, तो they were super happy. That day I cannot forget. 30th November 2016 it was.
Okay. Wow. So you are selected in which department you work?
Well, I'm working in central government. Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's impressive. Okay. So, my next question, ma'am, is let's get back to the time when you realized tomorrow your book will be released on Amazon. It will be live. Everybody will be able to read it, judge it on the basis what you have written. Because when it comes to authors, people just what thinks whatever a person think of is probably his or he or she is writing. So when it comes to on that particular eve, what was going on your mind? Like, were you feeling relaxed? Were you excited? You just marked up some milestones. Okay, these many people know me. My book has to be sold out. These many copies. What was going on in your mind?
When Kashmir Meri Nazar Se was released.
Yes, ma'am.
Or okay, so when it was scheduled to be released, I was unwell. I was unwell for 3 long months. So I was excited before that कि book आने वाली है. I announced it everywhere. Book आने वाली है, book आने वाली है. So I was very excited. But when it actually got launched by the publisher and it was announced on internet, I was unwell. So I didn't get time to celebrate or to announce it in a merry way.
Okay.
But yeah, I had this dream कि मतलब ये बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंचे और बहुत लोगों को पता चले that I have written a book. Because personally मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लेजी हूँ और किताब लिखना तो बहुत बड़ा टास्क था मेरे लिए.
Okay. So, ma'am, probably my last question to you of this podcast It's like after
Yes.
listening to this podcast, many people will just love to write book, or they, they must be holding their first draft in their hand, in their laptop, in their diary. So when
Yeah.
it comes to you, as you have completed the whole journey, you are on the other side of the river as of now. So what exactly can you share, like some suggestions for those upcoming authors, if you can share?
Personally, I feel just write it down what's there in your heart. Don't prepare anything. मतलब कहीं से इंटरनेट से don't Google कि मुझे writing style should be like this or that. You have your own writing style. You should write it down what's there in your mind, your heart. I mean, just pour it out. And trust me, that will be the best writing. Obviously, चीज़ें सुधरती हैं धीरे धीरे. You will learn from your mistakes and everything. But eventually, you will become your own type of writer.
Definitely, ma'am. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed this lovely and inspiring conversation with Jyoti, ma'am. And if you do, then do follow our podcast, Reading the Author, available on all the leading podcast platforms. And don't forget to buy and read the book. आप जैसे Amazon पे जाए, वहाँ पे सर्च करें ज्योति भारद्वाज, बुक आ जाएगी, या फिर आप सर्च कर सकते हैं कश्मीर मेरी नज़र से, बुक आ जाएगी. ज़रूर खरीदें, पढ़ें और अपने जानने वाले चाहने वालों से ज़रूर शेयर करें. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on our show. It was my honor to be able to host
Thank
you
you.
today.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you so much.